typical. I end the very first YouTube live, and look who turns up. Calvin. Little shithead, ain't she? You're so beautiful, man. So I thought I'll get a little video of her, considering she's just turned up. And we've got someone else turning up here now as well, look. There you go. I'm so glad you've come back before the war. Don't like it when the kids scare you, do you, sweetheart? I don't like it when they scare you neither. Right, people, we're gonna say goodbye. So, peace out from me. Peace out from Calvin. Stay safe, stay warm, and remember, we love you.